Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the pollen report notifications on the Waiter channel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the alerts in the notifications section. Scroll down and click to the pollen report button under the daily rain forecast, and just click to the white circle at the upper right corner of the screen and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.